Hey everyone, I'm so excited to introduce my brand new 3D Impasto Brush Pack for Procreate. This pack lets you create stems, creamy brush strokes, and dry brush marks. With this complete brush pack, you will be able to create a textured base painting and finish it off with stunning impasto effects to bring your artwork to life.
This brush pack is systematically divided into 3 categories.
Because this brush pack is so packed with features, I've created an easy naming system so that you can quickly find what you need.
Description tells you the visual effect like cross-hatched stem, luster rake, and liner smooth. Brushes with similar effects are grouped and numbered for easy navigation under the index number. The brush type determines the function and category. Dabbers, rigs, and thick paints are all 3D Impasto brushes. 3D smudges are smudge tools designed specifically for impasto blending. Brush, texture, and smudge brush without the word 3D are all regular base painting brushes. 3D Impasto brushes require a dual color loading workflow for depth. For all D brushes, you paint with the darker color. And for L brushes, you paint with the lighter color. Brushes without the D and L lettering means that this is a regular brush and not an impasto brush. Some impasto brushes have S in their name. This means they feature prominent shadows for extra depth.
Now let's go over all the brushes. For 3D Impasto brushes, first we have the dabbers.
You can use them as stems or paint with them to get dabs all over your canvas.
Then we have all the thick paints.
All thick paints can be used as stems or paint with them to get a thick paint effect. We have 3 brushes for lining. A variety of shapes from circular, teardrops, creamy, squares, and dry for every impasto stroke imaginable. We also have rigs. Use them to paint strokes to create rig textures. 3D smudges are to be loaded into your smudge tool. You can use these to extend 3D impasto stems or modify 3D impasto strokes. You can also use this with regular paint to extend for effects.
Now we have a small collection of regular brushes.
Notice that some smudge brushes has the name smudge but without 3D. It doesn't drag any impasto stems infinitely. This means it is a regular smudge too. And you can even paint with it too. In our regular brushes collection, we have textures. You can use this to paint or erase for textures. The cross-hatched stem brush is great for adding foliage textures. And the texture brush gives an abstract painting effect. The wet grunge brush is a great brush to use for your first layer. Rig and dry square brush can be used to quickly build your base painting. The noisy spray and fat spray brush are a staple addition to any brush pack. Lastly, we have my favorite natural sketch and smudge brush for sketching and filling in.
All tutorials will be available in this channel. When you purchase this brush pack, you will receive
45 brushes, 6 additional canvas textures, 5 Procreate project files to follow along with the tutorials, and more coming soon.
I am also launching an affiliate program where artists can earn while they create. Simply share a link whenever you create artwork with my brushes and you post them on social media, and you will earn a commission for every sale. This program is a part of my effort to combat piracy and to support ethical art. So let's build a sustainable and thriving art community. So that's a wrap on the demo for the 3D Impasto Brush Pack for Procreate. Thank you so much for watching, and share in the comments down below and tell me which brush you can't wait to try. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss the upcoming tutorials. If you're ready to start painting, grab the brush pack in the link in the description below, and I can't wait to see you next time. See you, bye!